town of Mias, which was founded in 1773, lies on the eastern spurs of the Ural Mountains. For about 2 centuries, the gold fields of Mias Valley have replenished the Russian state treasury with the precious metal high-grade gold, the pure gold nugget, the biggest one in Russia, that was called the Great Triangle and had the weight of more than 35 kilograms, was found here. The Trans-Siberian main railway lines, which connects the east and west, passes here. During the Second World War, the Ural Automobile Works was built here in the shortest time using the equipment evacuated from this factory, Moscow. The town of truck manufacturers has grown. In 1944, the front and rear got the reliable and undemanding ZIS-5 truck, which was given the nickname of Zahar. Since 1961, the factory specializes in manufacturing 3-axle all-terrain Ural trucks. Reliability, great cross-country ability in the places where the roads are not available that are required when developing new areas, and when developing time should be strictly observed how the Ural trucks gain popularity with transport workers who did appreciate and prefer them to the other vehicles which lose the ability to move under the similar extreme conditions. The sealed engine is installed, the truck can cross the ford 1.75 meters deep. The reliability of the engine suspension and transmission components is so great that it allows to stand the short time loads exceeding the truck weight many times. 50 years ago, this 5 truck gave a glorious start to the generations of the Ural trucks, which have become famous in almost every continent because there still exists lots of undeveloped territories and roadless places. Many new truck versions were on the Jubilee Parade. They were the trucks developed in cooperation with machine-building factories, manufacturers of oil and gas equipment. The trucks are intended for operation in the extreme north, circumpolar areas, Siberia and Yakutia. Some urgent design developments were performed to mount the equipment onto the truck chassis. The wheelbase was increased, the frame assembly length was extended up to 6 meters, the running gear was reinforced. Regarding its parameters, this truck can compete with cross truck. The installation of turbocharged YAMS engines made by Yaroslav Motor Works with a rating of 240 and 300 horsepower improved the technical level of the truck. Its carrying capacity increased significantly. It allowed to mount a 20-ton tank of the aircraft refueling truck. Ivanovets crane truck is in great demand among builders. Indispensable in the areas with a scanty water supply. It can deliver 8 cubic meters of water, 300 liters of foaming agent. The height of the water column can reach 100 meters. The Sinigorets hydraulic manipulator is jointly produced with Ural Terminal Marsh, its articulated vehicle. A short-term logger intended for carrying logs up to 6 meters. A logging road train with a pole trailer. The Ural 5323 truck is designed for completing it with special purpose equipment and cranes. 2 front axles are controllable. It allows to reduce the turning radius. The truck is equipped with type pressure control system, 5-speed gearbox and 2-speed transfer case. Now it's carrying 8.5 tons of cargo. The truck is upgrading and moving on a rocky ground. The turbocharged engine with a rating of 260 and 300 horsepower ensures the proper operation of the truck in the mountain areas at the height of 4,000 meters where the roads are not available, and the truck is capable to cross the mountain passes up to 5,000 meters above the sea level. The reliability and capability to travel across country and in difficult terrain, the excellent speed parameters and carrying capacity allowed to refer the URAL truck to the multi-purpose army vehicle. The military version of the URAL truck got the highest appraisal in 70s at the International Competition of Military Equipment in the USA. The URAL 2-axle all-wheel drive truck 4x4 was developed by URAL on the base of 6x6 URAL truck produced in series. The 4x4 URAL truck is completely unified with the basic model regarding the engine and its systems, large gearbox, front axle, its suspension and cab. All this allowed to keep such main features as high cross-country ability and reliability. The main peculiarity which makes this truck different from a 3-axle truck is the change of the truck transmission. The rear 2-axle bogie was changed for a single axle. Keeping the other components unchanged allowed to reduce the curb weight and improve the dynamic features of the truck. The main technical data of the truck are as follows. The payload weight 4 tons, the weight of the load placed on chassis 5 tons, the engine rating 180 horsepower, the maximum traveling speed 85 kilometers per hour. It says that the 4x4 URAL truck has the same platform with the 6x6 URAL truck and possibilities to mount various equipment and installations onto its chassis. The truck is equipped with wide cross-section tires and a tight pressure control system. It allowed to improve its cross-country ability when traveling in difficult terrain. The 2-axle truck took a comprehensive testing under the different road conditions together with the basic 3-axle truck. The results of the comparative tests in the sandy terrain showed that the two-axle truck has the cross-country ability which was close to that of the three-axle Ural truck. That was the basic truck in the Russian army. Nowadays, the Ural trucks are widely used as a part of the motorized groups comprising vehicles and armored tanks. Today, the Ural truck is regarded too as the truck for the battlefront, where the high speed and cross-country ability is required. So, the entire range of the Ural trucks 4x4, 6x6, 8x8 has been developed for army needs. They are completely unified regarding their power units and transmission. That makes the vehicle fleet homogeneous and eventually influences the combat readiness of the army on the whole. In 1995-96, the new generation of the Ural trucks was being developed. The 6x6 Ural truck is equipped with a cab produced by Iveco Ural's joint venture turbocharged diesel engine with a rating of 198 kilowatt, and the second and third axles, which have the twin tires. The carrying capacity is 10-12 tons. The maximum traveling speed is 80 kilometers per hour. The 8x8 Ural truck is equipped by Iveco Ural's cab. The modern style and ergonomics of the working place of both trucks meet the world standards. 2 sleepers are available in the cab. YAM's turbocharged engines with a rating of 220 kilowatts allows the truck with a payload of 12 tons to travel with a speed of 90 kilometers per hour on hard roads, and the great cross-country ability allows to move the cross-country. The safety of all the truck components gives an opportunity to use them under various climatic conditions at the ambient temperatures from minus 50 degrees centigrade up to plus 50 centigrade. Upon the customer's request, special purpose equipment can be mounted on the chassis.